Hi everyone, in today's video, I'm going to share the latest version of my options trading journal. This trading journal is designed for tracking option strategies that don't involve any rolling or share assignment, such as buying a single call or put options, cash secure put, vertical spread, butterfly spreads, and iron condor, which I believe are the strategies that most traders mainly use. Let me give you a quick overview of this spreadsheet. It consists of 8 comprehensive tabs. Here you have the start tab where you can set out the spreadsheet. The calculator tab allows you to calculate position sizing and determine the maximum profit, maximum loss, and break-even of the options trades. The trading journal tabs is where you log every details. The monthly tab gives you an automated monthly overview. The strategy tabs allow you to generate an automated overview. The ticker tabs also give you an automated overview based on the ticker you select. The dashboard tabs give you a comprehensive overview of your yearly trading performance and current open position. Strategy statistic tabs lets you build a month-by-month P&L breakdown for every strategy across a year. First of all, head over to the Start tab to set out your trading journal. Enter the year you want to begin tracking your account. For example, 2025, it will automatically generate a 10-year list in the cells below. Next, set your profit goal next to the year. Then set your account starting capital. After that, input the names of your strategies. You can also add a brief description next to the strategy for your quick reference. In some situations, we may close trades with a tiny or loss, and we consider it a break-even trade. Define your minimum threshold for a break-even trade. The trade status will show break-even if the profit or loss is within the amount. You can also set out to 10 entry mindset and 10 exit reason to track your psychology throughout your trading. Next, you can change frequently used terms in the trading journal to your preferred language or terminology. Before entering any trades, you can use the calculator provided here to calculate your position sizing, enter your account's net liquidation value and percentage risk per trade to calculate your dollar risk per trade. Below are the calculators I designed to calculate maximum profit, maximum loss, and break-even for a single leg options, vertical spread, iron condor, straddle and strangle, and butterfly spreads. What you need to do is select the strategy name from the drop-down list, input the number of contracts, the strike price, and the net premium per contract. Now let's move over to the trading journal tab to enter your trades. First, input the trade number. Select the trade direction from the drop-down list. Enter the stock ticker symbol, for example, AAPL. Select the strategy name from the drop-down list. It doesn't matter whether the strategy is single leg or multi-leg. The way to enter details into the trading journal is the same. Enter the strike price in your preferred format. Enter the options expiration date and the break-even price at expiration date. The live price column shows the last price of the underlying stock, and the days to expiration column shows the number of days to expiration. Next, enter the stock price at entry as a reference. Enter the entry date. Enter the number of contract and the entry price per contract. Put a minus sign in front of the amount if you pay a debit to enter the trade. If your trade is a multi-leg option strategy like a bull-put spread, enter the net entry price, the sum of the prices of all legs. Next, enter the commission or fees paid for entering the trade. Under the risk management section, enter the buying power, the amount of capital reserved by your broker for holding this trade. Enter the maximum profit of the trade, the maximum loss of the trade, and the risk percentage per trade. The reward to risk ratio will automatically calculated based on the maximum profit and loss you enter. Once you have closed the trade, enter the stock price at exit, the exit date, the number of contract, and the exit price per contract. If you scale out of a position, instead of closing it all at once, you can enter up to 3 separate exit points. Click on the plus icon at the top of the column Y to unhide the second and the third exit column. Input the respective contract and exit price for each scale out. Then sum out your total commission and enter it into the commission column. Next is the trade analysis, which is fully automated. It shows important trade statistics such as number of days in the trade, total profit and loss including the fees, return on investment percentage based on broker collateral, P&L per day, cumulative P&L, trade status, the position status. If you deposit or withdraw money from your account, use a new column separate from the trade data. In the trade number column, enter a dash sign instead of a trade number. Then enter the date you have deposit or withdraw the money. After that, enter the amount of deposit or withdrawal. Use a minus sign if you are withdrawing money. There is a section for you to log your mental data such as entry mindset. Select from the drop-down list. Rate your discipline score from 1 to 5. And then select your exit reason. Add any notes or charts link here. All data entered here will automatically populate your monthly strategy, ticker, dashboard, and strategy statistic tabs. Let's move over to the monthly tabs to generate an automated monthly overview. First, select the year and the month from the drop-down list at the top. The account overview at the top displays the statistic for the selected month, such as the starting and ending balance, return on investment percentage, total profit and loss, win rate, net deposit, total buying power use, return percentage, average P&L per day, and profit factor. The calendar view on the right fills in each day of your selected month. Winning days are highlighted in green with your total profit, while losing days are highlighted in red with your total loss. You can filter by entry date or exit date. Selecting entry date will show P&L for trades open during that month. Selecting exit date will show P&L for trade closed during that month. You can review your monthly account metrics virtually with charts and graphs here, such as the trade performance, the long, short, or neutral distribution chart. The graph here displays the equity curve, the account drawdown, P&L by strategy, and P&L by ticker. The table below automatically displays every trade entered for the selected month. Next, the strategy tab gives you an overview of the performance of each strategy. First, select the strategy name from the drop-down list. The account statistic here will show the key metrics such as total profit and loss, win rate, ROI percentage, average win and loss, maximum consecutive win and loss, buying power use, largest win and loss when trading using the strategy. The charts and graph here display the trade performance, the P&L by ticker. The table here shows all trades entered for the selected strategy. Besides analyzing trades by strategy, you can also analyze trades by ticker symbol. Select any ticker symbol from the drop-down list. The charts and graph here shows the trade performance, the number of long trade versus short trade, the P&L by strategy. Let you see which strategy is more effective when trading this ticker. The table below here are automated. It displays the trades entered for the selected ticker. Let's move to the dashboard tab where you can generate an automated annual overview and perform an in-depth analysis of your yearly trading performance. First, select a specific year from the drop-down list at the top. The scorecard at the top displays important metrics such as account balance, profit goal, total P&L, win rate, and return percentage for the account. A profit goal progress bar allows you to see how much is your progress towards the profit goal of the year. The account summary section shows the account health metrics such as total buying power use, total ROI percentage, profit factor. The account statistics section shows average win and loss, largest win and loss, maximum consecutive win and loss. The monthly trade statistics table shows profit and loss, ROI percentage, number of win, loss, and break-even for each month of the selected year. You can filter by entry date or exit date. If you select exit date, it will show the statistic for the trade closed in the month. The dynamic charts and graph let you visualize and analyze your year, including the account equity curve, drawdown percentage, monthly trade statistics. You can also know your P&L by strategies and P&L by ticker for the selected year. The open positions section displays up to 12 of your current open trades. If you have more than 12 open positions, use the drop-down menu at the top to view additional pages. The strategy statistic tab gives you a month-by-month P&L breakdown for every trading strategy across the year. First, select a specific year from the drop-down list at the top. You can filter by entry date or exit date to choose how the monthly P&L data is calculated. The table below shows the monthly profit and loss for every strategy from January to December for the selected year. The performance highlights section shows your best performing and worst performing strategies. That's all for the tutorial video of this options trading journal. I hope you found this video helpful. This trading journal is very useful for tracking and analyzing your options trades, help you identifying which strategy work for you and which don't. Thanks for watching. Check the links in the description or comment section below to learn more about this options trading journal. Please leave a comment if you have any question or suggestion. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channels. See you in the next video.